Welcome back. It's study o'clock. Table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. Now we learn full table. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. 3 multiplied by 9, 27. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30.